In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix if your Google Play Store is not downloading any application. First is to do basic checks. Check if your internet is actually working. So try switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi. Then also go to the settings and head to storage. Since low space, stop the downloads. You can also restart your device. A simple restart can fix temporary glitches. And also ensure that your phone's date and time are in correct settings. Now, if that doesn't fix anything, you can clear the cache and data, which is the most common fix. Go to settings and head to applications and then find the Google Play Store and click the storage and cache and click the clear cache and then clear the data. And then log in again inside the Google Play Store and try downloading the exact application. So just repeat the steps until the Google Play services or Google Play Store will work. And that's how you can fix if your Google Play Store is not downloading any applications. And thank you for listening.